Optimizing graphics settings in EAFC 25 can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Launch EAFC 25 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the Settings option and select the Graphics Settings tab to begin adjusting your visual preferences. Step 2. Adjust resolution. Choose the resolution that best fits your monitor. Higher resolutions provide better visuals but can impact performance. A common choice is 1920 x 1080 for a balance between quality and performance. Step 3. Set frame rate limit. Find the frame rate limit option and set it according to your monitor's refresh rate. If your monitor supports 60 Hz, set the limit to 60 FPS. This helps maintain smooth gameplay without unnecessary strain on your system. Step 4. Modify graphics quality. Select the overall graphics quality setting. Start with a medium setting and adjust upwards or downwards based on your system's performance. Low settings can improve frame rate, while high settings enhance visual fidelity. Step 5. Customize advanced settings. Explore advanced graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings individually to find the right balance between performance and visual quality, depending on your hardware capabilities. By following these steps, you can optimize the graphics settings in EAFC 25 for a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. Enjoy your game.